Actually, it doesn't make sense to signal just yet because it would go off if I had my right signal. See, it goes off right here. See how far to the left I'm swinging it out? And slowly, my foot's on the brake. There we go. So you come in a nice straight line between the two cars. There we go. In the park, engage parking brake. Signal. Looking around a lot. There we go, man. Done. Engage parking brake. Okay, we'll switch back and you can drive home. I'm sure the people who work here, these are all their cars parked here, and this is where they park them. And I'm sure they hate when they see us come in here. But nobody's complained yet. Like, nobody's actually kicked us out of here yet. I've been kicked out of other parking lots, like Lowe's up by the theater. Yeah.
I'm surprised he hasn't been fired because of the way that he drives in the parking lot. One time I did a burnout. I was like, huh. Do you want to get fired today?
Yeah, it's a good way to get yourself fired.
And he was like, who says I'm going to get fired? And I'm like, I will get you fired because you're being an idiot.
So a little slower through here. Yeah, you got her. Out of the danger zone. We'll make a right turn at the lights.
Now, is this my...
Right turn. Yeah, you have the right of way because the light is green. Oh, now you can stop. You can still stop safely behind the line.
Yeah.
1, 2, crawl out there into the crosswalk. You just aim for the lane that you're turning into. And this is good. If there was pedestrians coming, then you wouldn't do this.
Yeah. I don't see anybody. The only person that I see is all the way over there.
Yeah.
And they're walking that way.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have time.
After the van? Yeah. Agreed. Now once you make your decision, execute it quickly. Right on.